Hi guys, I've just reviewed Daily Binary Profits. It's the newest signal software out there that's coming up next. Okay guys, in this video I'll be reviewing the newest signal service out there called Daily Binary Profits. Basically it's pretty good software. It guarantees 87% accuracy rate. Is up to 120 daily signals. Offers short and long-term trading capabilities. No browser is needed, but you do need to be running Windows. At the moment they don't offer it on Mac, but I believe it's coming soon. So yeah, let's get to it. If you have any comments, put them below, and yeah, look forward to hearing from you.
Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au. In this video I am reviewing Daily Binary Profits version 7, and this is the first time I've reviewed this signal software. So basically when you go to Daily Binary Profits, you need to go through their links to basically track yourself to either Bank to Binary or OptionFair. I already had a Bank to Binary account, so I opened up an account with OptionFair. So I just put in $250 at OptionFair, and once you've done that, you get access to the Daily Binary Profits download. You need to be on Windows only, it doesn't work on Mac. But they do tell me that a Mac version is in the pipes, which is good news. So it looks a pretty good software. Basically, once you fire up Daily Binary Options, it has this little floating window that you can resize, and also has a little trade bar pop up when a new signal comes in. It's pretty simple. So basically, you have all your live signals, basically categorizing currencies, indices, stocks, and commodities, and then you'll see basically when a signal is in this particular window, you'll see an up arrow or a down arrow. So that's basically telling you the indication, which way to make the trade. When the arrow is in like a full colored state, that's a more stronger indication that the trade will be successful, and when it's in a particular hollowed out or more transparent arrow, it's less confident. And obviously when it says uncertain, I would definitely probably stay away, just waiting for more detail. So basically the signals are using an algorithm based on candlestick setups, as you can see here, with like a bullish state here, a bearish state. Actually even might even tell you when you actually click on a window. I just drag this out, gives you a bit more information. So it tells you that it's going to be now a call or a buy. The next is it's like a countdown timer of how much time you have left to place this trade under their recommendations. So the more time there is, the better it is. They recommend once it gets below 2 minutes, you're probably best to leave it. Then it gives you the option period. Its suggestion on this particular one is 1 hour. Other ones might be like here 1 to 5 minutes. So we'll go back to this one. So 1 hour. Then it gives you a bit of a description. This formation underscores the lack of sellers, even though the 2 candlestick is a down candle is unable to close below the midpoint of the previous candle's body. This suggests that an uptrend will continue. In other words, this is a failed figure piecing. So maybe this isn't automated. This is actually, they've got actual live traders entering information as they see it. As you can see here, these alerts are still coming through, and it gives you basically the chart setup. The indication has been these 3 red candles, that they think now that this is going to be a call with an 1 hour option. So I've actually put in my first trade here. Looks like it's just closing out. Is it just... Oh, it's still going. So my first trade here was for $25. The target is to beat 170, 458. Right now the market is 171. There's 4 minutes left, and you can actually see here I'm in the money by quite a bit. So this looks like quite a good call. This was actually suggested to be a 1 hour call, but doesn't actually at the moment, because I'm trading in a very low period in the Australian time zone. That was only at the moment I'm only given 15-minute option periods or half-hour option periods. As you get into the more better market periods, like the euro overlapping the US market, there's more volatility, more expiration options are available. But looks like my very first trade that I entered under this signal is going to be a winner. It's 3 minutes left. So let's look for another one. So close that there. So you can see here the Euro Japan has 3 minutes left to enter. It's suggesting a 1 hour period, and then it gives you the information. Okay, so is there a euro? We'll bring up currencies. So the euro pound, it's suggesting a down now with a 1 hour period. So I'm only giving a 15-minute period here by the software, but we'll just give it a go. It does recommend an hour, so we'll just see how we go. So I've made an investment there based on the signal. Alright, let's do another one. The AUD USD, that's an up. The AUD USD, again, I'm quite sure it's only going to be yeah, it's giving me a 15-minute period. It's recommending an hour, but just for the purpose of this video, I'll just take the option. So I invested. See there, one just came through, copper. Let's check this one out. So this is a 60-second option. At the moment, like I mentioned, I don't have any options available on 60 seconds just because I'm in a real low period. These tend to be more open. So if you're in Australia, you're better off trading these after 5 PM. So we'll leave that one alone. So it's quite interesting software. Really good setup, really clean and easy to use, really easy to understand. Like, this is my first time and I understand it quite easily. Better than some of the other softwares, signal software that I've seen out there. Okay, so we'll just sit at the moment and wait for another signal to come through. Well, we've got some time. Option Fair is quite a good platform. It's on the one just came in then, gold. Let's just check this out. It's a 1 hour one. Okay, so let's bring up gold, go into the high low, we'll bring up commodities. Okay, gold's available, beauty. So let's see what sort of options we've got here. Basically, it's only giving us That's like a. It's not giving us an hour option, so unfortunately I can't trade that. But you see here, my two other trades have been finalized. I think one was a winner and one was a loser. So you see on that. They're still going, I believe. Well, here, quite a few just came in now. USD card. I can't do any of those smaller ones. Silver just came in. Lots of 60-second short-term trades. We're going to stay away from all these. Who could? I think I just did that one. British pound, Japan. Yeah. So at the moment I'm in the money with these two open trades. They're going to expire at 3 o'clock, which is in another 13 minutes. So while they're going, we can talk a bit about OptionFair. OptionFair is on Tech Financial's platform. Quite a good software. I recommend using the brokers they suggest, which is Bank to Binary and OptionFair for this particular software. Although you could, in theory, use this on any other spot option or Tech Financial software. So that would mean you could use it on TradeRush, Redwood. You could use it on LionIve. You could use it on 24 Option. But if you're gonna to actually get the software, you have to fund your account through their link. That's just part of the deal. Okay. So the AUD USD is quite tight at the moment. The Euro British Pound also quite tight. Alright, Platinum, let's have a look at. No, I don't have a. So you can see here, I don't. This option will be available at 7 o'clock tonight. So I'm just using this software in a really low point in the market, which is generally like in the mid-afternoon in Australia is not a good time to trade options. I recommend trading them after 5 p.m. to midnight. That's when there's more volatility, there's more options open, more liquidity in the markets. But this is just the purpose of demonstrating daily binary profits. So far it's got my tick of approval. I'm going to probably do a second and third and fourth video in different sessions just to see its track record and how it's going. So now the Euro Pound has gone out of the money, but the AUD USD has gone in the money. But yeah, remember these were recommended 1 hour options by the daily binary profit software, and I did it in a 15-minute option. So if these were to go out, wouldn't be too worried about that. That's quite good, like I've put in an investment of $25. Return of 45, so I've made a $20 profit. You do this 5 times a day, 5 successful trades, that's $100. Obviously you're going to have some losers, so you're probably going to have to trade, if you're trading the minimum 25, you need at least over 61%, 65% strike rate to turn a profit every day. But using their signals, if you don't have the time, you can definitely just make a bit of lazy money, earn a bit of extra income when you get home from your day job, a bit at night time, which is actually perfect for Australians. You're working all day and then you come home, you can fire this up for an hour or two, make your $100 that you want, whatever you want. You can, if you've got a bigger bankroll and you can deposit like $1,000 or $5,000, you can probably place trades at $100 and you'll easily get your $100 a day. So here's another good one, euro pound. Let's have a look at that. Bring up Forex, euro pound. Again, it's only giving me 10 minutes, so I'm gonna have to leave that. Need more bigger expiries. Okay, I'm probably gonna fasten up this video in my post editing for the next 8 minutes. Yeah, we'll speak soon on the results of these last 2 trades. So we'll see you soon. Okay guys, we've got almost 30 seconds left. One looks like it's going to be in the money. The other I think is right. Touch and go. So from the 3 trades, looks like I'm going to win 2, lose 1. But yeah, I'm going to do another video of this in a better trading session where there's more options available, and with more options I can actually do the recommendations of 1 hour. At the moment my market's only giving me 15 minutes. Alright, so there you have it. Until next time, may all your trades be profitable.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep updated with new videos.